What has 30 years of working in cybersecurity taught me? It taught me that it's all about the basics. You're just not going to have time or resources to get to everything. You're not going to go through the NIST 800-50 and all 356 controls and safeguards. You just need to master the basics. And just like every framework starts out with know your hardware, know your software, know your users. Before you move on to anything else, you need to know what hardware is connected to your network, what software your users are using, and who your users are. Now, in a multi-layered cybersecurity approach or framework, the four most important layers are, number one, know your software. And the best way to know your software is meet with your vendor reps and their SEs when your renewals come up. Every year when your VMware, when your backup, when your antivirus comes up for renewal, meet with your vendor rep and go through all their upgrades and add-ons. Ask them if you have all the latest and greatest. The second part is you just don't have time to actively monitor and manage all your alerts, all your events, and all your log files. You really should outsource that. You can outsource that to someone like us, where we have over 100 security analysts that you can get anywhere from $10 to $50 each. Number three is you need to have a framework. If you don't know where you're going, then any road will get you there. Or when you come into work, you're not going to day by day, week by week, implement a plan for greater security posture. You need to be working every day on improving your security posture. And the fourth most important layer is you need to put all your alerts, all your events, and all your log files in one central location. You know, you don't necessarily need a security operations center, but it's whatever you want to call it. You can call it log file management, or you can call it a security operations center. We happen to run a SOC that uses the Microsoft Sentinel with a SIEM and a SOAR. However, we can give you a tenant where you just upload your log files, where you send all your alerts, you can send all your events, and you can upload all your log files from your Microsoft, from your anti-phishing, your antivirus, your backup, your firewall. You need one central location. So that's it. It comes down to basics. You just need to master the basics. And again, basics start with software licensing, having someone actively monitoring and managing your alerts, your events, and your log files, following some type of framework like the CIS 18. And number four is having a centralized single pane of glass where you can watch all your alerts, events, and log files. Thank you very much. Stephen Palange, Sovereign Solutions.